Okay, this is part 2 to the Winter Wonderland series. I don't know if you can really see it that well, but it's still snowing. Big old fat ones. It is January 10th, 2009, 3:41 in the afternoon, and it snowed last night, as you can kind of see if you look down there by the drive. Right there. I know it's kind of hard to see from the distance, but it's about 7 or 8 inches of snow. I went out driving today. The roads are covered, as you can kind of tell. Anyways, it's still snowing pretty good. It's really coming down out there. So I think we're still supposed to get a lot more snow. It was actually raining earlier a little bit. It was hard to tell, but you can see here. Flip this on close. You can see 4 p.m. snow, wintry mix, snow, all the way down. There's the map. I know it doesn't look like much, but it's quite a bit right there. Right where the arrow is right there. But we had all this. Go ahead and play this for you. So it looks like we're pretty much out of this for now, I guess. We got this stuff left, which pretty much out of it, so. Oh well. Hopefully it all melts pretty soon, but yeah, right, that won't happen anytime soon. And we're under another weather alert. We're under a winter storm warning, updated until Saturday, January 10th, 2009 till 11 p.m. We're supposed to be getting icy right now. Advisories in effect, all that kind of stuff. But yeah, it's pretty fun sitting out here in all this snow, not being able to do anything. I got my hater sitting up here so I can hear if a call goes out. But other than that, I'm just kind of sitting back enjoying the weather. So I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day, and I hope you don't get stuck in any of the snow like we are.